Hey Channel Insiders, I'm Katie Bavoso for Partner POV On-Site here at Scale Computing Platform 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm joined by IT leaders and innovators from all over the world today, including this gentleman joining me right now. We have Scott Farrell, Director of Vendor Management at TD SYNNEX. Welcome, sir.
Hi, Katie. Well, glad to be here. Thank you.
Glad to have you as well. Thank you so much for joining me. So Scott, let's talk about the opportunities for partners with TD SYNNEX and Scale Computing. Where do you see the biggest opportunity for those partners to work with the two of you right now?
Yeah, I mean, it's a great time, especially with partners that happen to be partners of Scale Computing. And we ourselves are a distributor of the Scale Computing solutions. And where partners can leverage us is as a company the size of TD SYNNEX, we not only can support them here in the United States, but also globally, right? So what a partner can do is engage with any size customer, whether it be here or abroad, and they can leverage our, I'll call financial options that we have, our terms of service that we have. But what's nice is they can get the entire Scale Computing portfolio from TD SYNNEX, all one-stop shop, right? And for them, they've had the opportunity here at the show to meet the people that work day in and day out with the Scale Computing team. We brought them here to the show. So it's worked out very well for them.
Really impressive. Let's build on that too. So how do you make it easier for partners to acquire and access Scale Computing technology? And then of course, what does TD SYNNEX bring to the table to make that experience even more frictionless?
Yeah, so one of the things that we do, we've taken the portfolio of Scale Computing and all of those, I'll call SKUs or part numbers that we have are already preloaded into our system. That allows us to quote products quickly, right? And so for a reseller, it's important for them to be responsive to their customers. So by them reaching out directly to our team, I mean, within hours, for instance, they can get a full quote on their solution. And we work directly with the Scale sales teams. So it's really a triangular support effort between TD SYNNEX, Scale Computing, and the partner. And I said, for a partner, it doesn't get much better than that because they've got the resources not only from TD SYNNEX, but also from Scale Computing to sell to their customers.
What is TD SYNNEX doing right now to invest in their relationship with Scale Computing, and why should partners be paying attention to that?
Well, one of the things that we're doing is being at this show, and in fact, last week, Scale Computing participated in an event that we had at TD SYNNEX. We're getting word out to the partners that their solutions can be purchased through the largest distributor in the world. Not to mention, we're investing in training on our teams so that they understand how to answer the questions from the channel on the Scale Computing products. The other thing that's nice for a partner is that if they have accompanying product that needs to be sold with Scale Computing, there's a pretty good darn chance that we've got a relationship with that vendor to support that need.
So as I mentioned, we're here at Scale Computing Platform 2025. We've got hundreds, honestly, of people and partners and IT innovators on site today. What's one thing you want them to know and learn about the TD SYNNEX Scale Computing partnership here at Platform?
Well, I mean, the main thing that they need to understand is that we're invested in this business. We are a partner. We're not going anywhere, right? And that we are committed to making this relationship grow. I mean, with the market the way it is for Scale Computing, the opportunities that they have right now, they need to make sure that they're partnered with a leader that can grow with them and not be constrained by whether it be geographic limitations, financial limitations, et cetera, to know that we've got the team behind them to help them grow.
Beautifully said. Scott, thank you so much for your time today.
Very good. I'm glad to be here. Thank you for taking time to meet with me.
You got it. And thanks to you at home for joining us. To see more from Scale Computing Platform 2025, check out channelinsider.com.